Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Do you love pickles? Chutneys and pickles are heart and soul of Indian kitchen and can jazz up any boring meal. Today I am sharing a very healthy, quick and easy to make pickle recipe prepared with fresh turmeric, ginger and green chilies, known as turmeric pickle or Kachi Haldi ka Achar. Turmeric is a gift from nature and has numerous health benefits. It has powerful anti-inflammatory, anti-fungal and antibacterial properties and is used in Ayurvedic medicine in India. It is very good for digestion, helps to reduce acidity and also useful in flu, cough and cold, keeping our immunity strong. So it's very beneficial to include in our daily diet, especially during winters when turmeric is also easily available. I got hold of some fresh turmeric a few days back and decided to make this yummy pickle. So let's get started. For this pickle, I am using 100 grams of turmeric root, 50 grams of fresh ginger and few green chilies and garlic pods. Increase or decrease green chilies to suit your taste. You can also use mango ginger instead of regular ginger. This gives a very good flavor. The ginger will have the taste of ginger as well as mango. Wash, rinse and clean all the ingredients with water. Dry them completely with a tissue. There should not be any moisture left on them. So now let me warn you to wear gloves while handling turmeric as the hue is so strong that it will stain your hands. Peel out the skin of turmeric root and slice them into julienne. Spread them on a tissue paper to remove any excess moisture. Similarly, work with ginger and cut into thin strips. Slice a few green chilies. Peel garlic and slice them into thin pieces. Spread them on a tissue paper to remove any excess moisture. Transfer cut turmeric, ginger, green chilies and garlic into a glass bowl. Add in half a cup of lemon juice and 1.5 to 2 teaspoons salt or as required. Mix well and keep this aside while we prepare the spice powder mix. You can also keep the pickling process simple by just adding lemon juice and salt. Into the mixer jar, add in 3 teaspoons mustard seeds, ¼ teaspoon fenugreek seeds, 1 teaspoon fennel seeds and a ¼ teaspoon Asafoetida or hing. Grind the spices to a coarse powder and set aside. Include turmeric, ginger, garlic and pepper in your diet as they are immune boosters. Our grandma's home remedies and simple tricks to boost your immune system may not hurt. Now you know the magical power of our own delicious rasam, right? Heat a pan with 2 tablespoons of mustard oil. You can also use sesame seed oil, also known as gingerly oil. Once the oil is heated up, add in the prepared spice powder mix. Turn off the heat and give it a nice mix. Transfer this into the cut turmeric and ginger. Mix very well so that the spices are nicely coated to the turmeric and ginger. Give it a nice mix and adjust salt if needed. Close with the lid and set aside for few hours. Now transfer the pickle to a glass jar. Try to use glass or ceramic container to store the pickle. Remember to stir the pickle once a day for about 2 to 3 days so that all the juices released will be mixed evenly with the turmeric and ginger. This will also help to keep the pieces soft once it's ready to be consumed. This delicious tangy pickle can be served as an accompaniment to papads, naan, roti or even with rice. You can leave the pickle for 2 to 3 days at room temperature on your kitchen counter and then refrigerate for longer use. You can use it for about 3 to 4 weeks. Do enjoy it and subscribe to my channel MasalaKorb. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell for new updates. You can also follow me on Facebook and Instagram. It's me Padma signing off.